Okay, now for drawing the SF and BM diagram, at first take a baseline below the diagram of the beam. ACB is the baseline, and add this C to this point by dotted line, and also take another baseline below the first baseline, ACB, and take these points by dotted line. This will be baseline. And now at first, at the point A, shear force is 0.5 W. So take some value which will represent 0.5 W. And up to C, just before C, the SF is the value of SF is 0.5 W. So let this is the point. Is also same value as 0.5. So at these 2 points, as there is no extra load between these 2 points, therefore this line will be a straight line parallel to the baseline. Earlier I said in every classes. Okay, now this will be positive. Earlier I said. Okay, and now just after point C, the SF will be negative, as I earlier said. So take plus minus 0.5 W as this point below the baseline, that will indicate negative. And at the point B, the SF value of SF will be also 0.5 W, but it will be negative. So take some value will represent 0.5 W. And at these 2 points will be a parallel line parallel to the baseline. So this will be negative, earlier I have said. So this is the shear force bending moment diagram. Here at point C, the shear force changes its sign from positive to negative. Now for bending moment diagram, at first start from A. At point A, bending moment will be negative. It will be bending moment will be 0. So from this point, and at the point C, bending moment will be maximum as WL by 4. As the point at point B, the bending moment also 0. Therefore at point C there will be maximum, and maximum value will be WL by 4. So take some point, some value which will represent WL by 4. And now at this 2 point, and from the rule I have also earlier discussed that earlier class I have discussed that when there is no extra load, between A and C, the bending moment diagram will be an inclined straight line for point load. So at this 2 point and by a straight line, it will be inclined straight line. And similarly at this point MB will be 0. Therefore at this 2 point by a straight line, which will also be a which will also be a inclined straight line. Now this will be positive. Okay, but these all are positive above the baseline. So I set this line, this portion, and this is the bending moment diagram. So this is a total SFBF diagram. This B. Okay, thank you.